Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best LÄVO II is probably one of the most versatile and innovative kitchen appliances to hit the market in recent years, designed to simplify the process of creating potent edibles and tinctures right in your home. This sleek and user-friendly device takes the guesswork out of decarboxylation and infusion, allowing you to unlock the full potential of your favorite herbs with minimal effort and maximum efficiency. Whether you're a seasoned culinary artist or a beginner looking to explore the world of homemade cannabis-infused treats, the LÄVO II promises a seamless and enjoyable experience from start to finish. Number 5. LEGO Ideas 21319 Central Perk Building Kit. Step back in time to the beloved Central Perk Cafe. This brick-built version is packed with authentic details, ready to spark hilarious memories from the classic TV show. Unbox a detailed Central Perk studio set, complete with all 6 friends and Gunther. You'll find cool accessories perfect for recreating your favorite scenes. This 1070-piece collectible offers a rewarding building experience for adults. It's a fantastic gift for any fan of the show, perfect for solo builds or sharing with loved ones. Compatible with existing LEGO construction toys, bricks, and characters. Let your imagination run wild as you create unique mashup models and tell your own stories. Measuring over 4 inches high, 11 inches wide, and 8 inches deep, this colorful set makes a big impression. It's the perfect piece to display in any room or office. What we like? If you're a die-hard fan of a certain 90s sitcom, this is the ultimate collector's item. It recreates a beloved setting with incredible detail and comes with all the main characters. If you love to display your fandom and relive iconic moments, you should definitely consider this. What people say. The build process was enjoyable and engaging, with clever design techniques that bring the famous coffee shop to life. From the iconic orange couch to the detailed counter area and the stage where Phoebe sings Smelly Cat, every element feels authentic and nostalgic. The attention to detail is fantastic, with small touches like the menu board, the coffee machine, and even the reserved sign on the couch. The set includes 7 minifigures: Ross, Rachel, Chandler, Monica, Joey, Phoebe, and Gunther, each with unique accessories that reflect their characters perfectly. Their outfits and expressions are spot on, making them a great addition for both display and play. The details are great. The coffee mugs, cookies, flowers, and the fact that you can turn the store's Central Perk sign either way is very fun. The couch with rug just sits loosely in there once it's built, so you can easily pull that out if you want. Number 4. Sakolla 12-cavity round silicone molds. Crafted from food-grade, BPA-free silicone, these molds offer a healthier alternative for your creations. They are flexible, non-stick, and ensure your treats pop out with ease. Each cavity is designed for regular-sized chocolates, measuring 2.1 inches in diameter and 1 inch in height. The entire tray provides a convenient size for creating delightful chocolate confections. These molds are built to withstand a wide range of temperatures, from -40°F to 446°F. They are safe to use in your oven, microwave, dishwasher, and freezer. Beyond chocolates, these versatile molds are perfect for making cakes, jelly, pudding, candy, and even soaps or candles. Let your creativity flow with endless possibilities. We prioritize your satisfaction with the best quality. Your purchase is backed by a money-back guarantee, and our team is ready to assist with any questions you may have. What we like? For those who love baking and creating small treats, these molds are a fantastic choice. They are made from safe, flexible material that ensures easy release and can withstand a wide range of temperatures. If you're looking for versatile molds for chocolates, candies, or even mini soaps, these are perfect for you. What people say. Mold was easy to use and released cleanly. Looked exactly like a brain. It's true to the listed size, flexible, and comes out of the mold easily. The silicone feels well made, and the details are good enough to work well for resin, chocolate, candles, or candy. They are perfect for making round candies or chocolate-covered Oreo cookies. Easy to pop out of the molds as well. They are very easy to clean. Number 3. Small Bites Edibles. Discover a new way to enjoy cannabis with our small bites. These are perfect for the modern cannabis kitchen, offering a discreet and delicious experience. Each bite is carefully crafted to enhance your culinary adventures. They are designed for those who appreciate quality and innovation in their cannabis consumption. Enjoy the convenience of discreet consumption without compromising on taste. These small bites offer a delightful flavor profile that is sure to please. We've perfected the portion size for a consistent and enjoyable experience every time. It's the ideal way to dose and savor your cannabis. Elevate your everyday with these expertly made edibles. They represent the next step in sophisticated cannabis enjoyment for today's discerning user. What we like. This product is for the culinary adventurer looking to explore the world of infused edibles. It focuses on creating delicious, modern treats with a specific focus on cannabis infusions. If you're interested in crafting sophisticated edibles at home, this is your go-to guide. What people say. Easy to follow recipes, book is beautiful. Such a good variety of recipes from savory to sweet. The illustrations and recipes are off the charts. It's a really nice book with a lot of finger-licking recipes, and it's suitable for the European kitchen due to all ingredients are measured in the metric system 2, liter, grams, kilograms. That makes it very easy to cook this recipes in every place. Number 2. ONGROK Butter Maker and Oil Infuser Machine, Large. Get started immediately with this all-inclusive kit. It comes with everything you need, including heat-resistant and dishwasher-safe accessories. Making your infused oils and tinctures is simple with its easy 2-button controls. It even has a self-cleaning function for ultimate convenience. Explore endless possibilities in the kitchen. You can create a variety of homemade edibles, from delicious baked goods to soothing topicals, with the included cookbook and online recipes. Designed with your safety in mind, it's constructed from food-grade stainless steel. It features built-in sensors and is ETL certified for your peace of mind. This sleek appliance adds a touch of modern elegance to your kitchen. Its compact design saves valuable counter space, unlike bulkier alternatives. What we like. If you want to make your own herbal infusions with minimal fuss, this machine is for you. It boasts a simple, user-friendly design with a self-cleaning feature, saving you time and effort. If you prioritize safety, convenience, and a sleek kitchen aesthetic, this is an excellent option. What people say. It works well, is reasonably quiet, compared to a blender, and is super easy to clean. The clean feature makes it easy to remove fine plant material. The controls are easy to use and navigate. My friends even borrow it because it is such a good tool for making infusions at home without producing too much smell and or taking up too much time. And the fact that you can just set it and forget it and it stirs itself, it is definitely worth it. I love this machine. Number 1. LÄVO Herb Press. Tired of wasting valuable oils and butters? Our innovative press ensures you get every last drop from your herbs, maximizing your infusion's potency. This custom hand press is engineered to fit perfectly inside your LÄVO herb pod. It's designed to make extracting every bit of goodness effortless. Just press down on your herbs and squeeze out all the remaining oil, butter, or honey. When you're done, simply place it in the dishwasher for easy cleaning. Crafted from durable, food-grade stainless steel and silicone, this accessory is built to last. It's a safe and reliable addition to your infusion toolkit. Experience the future of herbal infusions at home. Our machines offer a clean, mess-free way to create infused oils, butters, and more. Discover the full LÄVO range. What we like. For users of the LÄVO infusion machines, this accessory is a must-have. It's designed to ensure you get every last bit of goodness from your herbs, maximizing your infusion. If you're looking to optimize your infusion process and avoid waste, this tool is essential. What people say. Works perfectly. Really helps squeeze out the leftovers and goodies. This thing works great, fits inside the pods well and is easy to clean. The 2 rubber ends come off and can be cleaned separately from the metal bar that they go on. I can get good pressure in the pod and the press doesn't bend at all. Good product, good functionality, very easy to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.